What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For this video, we got these green bean 5s dirtied in the most cliche way imaginable. A little fun fact though, this is actually our first time ever cleaning an all 3M sneaker on the channel. We were gonna use our essential shoe cleaning kit, however, these things smell like green beans on the inside and out, so it's only right we flush out that using our patent sneaker laundry system that is only found inside our signature shoe cleaning kit. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it, so let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. As you know, for before and after purpose, we only clean one shoe, so I'm just gonna grab this shoe and set it aside. But before we hop into this cleaning process, what I'm gonna do right now is step outside and bang off all this mud, dirt, and green beans because they have been sitting over the weekend and it's looking pretty fossilized. So I'm gonna go outside, let's get it, let's go. All right guys, we are back from outside. We did get most of that dirt off. However, there's still some stuff in there. We got them green beans stuck in this mud. But right now we can go ahead and just get straight to this cleaning. First things first, I gotta go to remove these laces, lace lock, and insert my adjustable shoe tree. All right guys, we got our shoe tree in place. It is gonna help reduce some of that creasing. As you guys know, 3M creases like crazy. So now when we're applying as much as pressure on the toe box, it's not gonna cause any more creasing that's already happened to the shoe from that natural wear and tear. But right now we're going to really get this cleaning started by grabbing our solution and squirting some squirts. All right, but right now I can go ahead and start with our soft bristle brush. Again, we've never cleaned an entire 3M shoe, so just gonna start with this. It's just gonna be the safest. I'm gonna clean this entire shoe completely even, avoid any type of oversaturation in certain materials, because I'm not quite sure how the shoe's gonna react. All right guys, I'm all done with that first pass of our soft bristle brush, and so far they cleaned up great. A few things I want to mention when cleaning 3M compared to cleaning other materials like canvas or suede. Those shoes typically tend to absorb a lot of those water in solution. However, for this shoe, it all stayed surface based and it generated a whole bunch of bubbles. Right now though, I'm gonna grab our medium bristle brush, tackle some of these deeper stains that I'm seeing and see how the shoe reacts with that, as well as focus on this midsole. So yeah, let's do that. When cleaning this midsole or most Jordan 5 midsoles, you wanna make sure you use the medium bristle brush. The reason why you're not gonna use the stiff is because it is pretty hard and it could potentially scrape or damage that painted midsole. All right guys, the 3M uppers acted great with our medium bristle brush. Some things I do wanna point out though is in this netting, we still got some trapped in green beans in there. I'm not too worried though because we are gonna put the shoe inside the washer and it's gonna flush out all those trapped in stains and hopefully get all those green beans out. At least it's gonna help with the smell. But right now we can go ahead and grab our stiff bristle brush and tackle this outsole. All right, we got most of them green beans off of the sole of that sneaker as well as all that other dirt and grime that was on there. Last thing we gotta do before we flush these shoes out fully is go ahead and take care of our laces that have been soaking in the bowl of water during this whole process. So right now I'm just swooshing them around like so, generating some bubbles in the bowl. Then I'm gonna put them through my hands and just start scrubbing away. Laces are done. Right now I'm just gonna grab our laundry bag, insert the shoe, and we got our sneaker inside our laundry bag. Reminder, the laundry bag does hold 2 shoes, but again, for that before and after purposes, we only put 1 shoe at a time. It's also gonna come with a little handy dandy pouch where we could pop our shoelaces, put the laundry pod in, and here we go. Our sneaker laundry detergent is available at RESHOEVN8R.com, as well as all the other products you've seen us use so far. Make sure you guys hit the link in the description, save you guys some dollar bills. But right now, we're gonna go to the laundry room and get these fully flushed out, so let's go. All right guys, we're all checked in here in the laundry room. We do got our sneakers safely secured inside our sneaker laundry bag. I do want to remind you guys we have never cleaned an all 3M sneaker in the washer, so we're gonna test it here so y'all don't have to. The $1 million question is the 3M still reflected? We gonna find out. All right guys, we are back. We do got the sneaker 100% fully dry, and man, these things cleaned up great. Honestly, they cleaned up so great, we probably didn't even have to put it through the laundry system. However, there were those trapped in green beans and that smell, which is the reason why we flushed it out. But I can let you know right now, these shoes no longer smell like your grandma's green bean casserole. Before we get these things laced up, I do want to talk a little bit about this shoe. Obviously, as we know, it's an all 3M sneaker. There are some challenges when it comes to 3M sneakers. When they crease, them creases are stuck in there for good, and 3M is notorious for cracking. Even Vic Almighty said there's no way for him to restore an all 3M sneaker. So be careful if you are a fan of 3M. But a little more about this sneaker. This shoe retroed in 2022. However, it originally debuted in 2006. When it dropped, it was a crazy sneaker. The sneaker community went crazy over it. However, right now, at least the 2022 pair is sitting under retail in certain sizes. So if you're a fan of the shoe, cop it. Remember, rock what you like, not what's hype. But with that being said, we can go and get these things laced up. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these green bean 5s. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit. However, a 3M sneaker is probably gonna clean up great with an essential kit. That's why if you drop a comment down below and let us know what your favorite 3M sneaker is of all time, we're hooking someone up with their very own essential shoe cleaning kit. However, to recap this cleaning, before I bounced, we went ahead and used all 3 brushes, broke down the dirt and grime on the uppers, midsoles, and outsoles. We then went ahead and put the shoe in the laundry system to flush out all the trapped in stains and odors, and we got these results. The $1 million question, is the 3M still reflective? Let's go ahead and find out right now. Well, it looks good to me. If you like today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know the vibe, but make sure you hit that bell so you're notified for all future content. We post customs and restorations every Monday with our dude Vic Almighty, plus Shoe Care Academies every Thursday. And for next Thursday, we got a banger. This is gonna be a good video. It's gonna be a very challenging clean. I can already see the orange looks like it's bled onto the laces in that mesh tongue, so it's definitely gonna be a challenge. So make sure y'all tap in. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch y'all in another one. Peace.